Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About secant of x, we change by 1 over cosine x. And this one will go to numerator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side, and we have cosine x dx. This one we change by u, and this one we change by u. So cosine x with ds we change by du, and now we can put like this. Next, u to the power of 3 we can put into u and u square. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to u square plus 1. Because we have u square, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we have like this. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by t. U square we change by t minus number 1. U du we change by this one. So t to the power of 4 multiplied by t and number 1. Now we have the formula in here. Number 5, I will put this one going here. So 5 plus 1, we have number 6. Number 4 going here. We have 4 plus 1, we have number 5. And now we have like this. About t, that is about this one. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.